Daily. Turn off the unit and unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. Spray the cloth with a mild cleaning solution and wipe down the entire unit, including the seat guide rail, to remove sweat and dust. Console screens can be cleaned with screen cleaner and a microfiber cloth to remove fingerprints. This is especially important for touchscreen consoles. Inspect the power cord for damage, making sure that it is not in a place where it can become pinched during use of the unit. Weekly. Turn off the unit and unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. Move the unit from its current location and vacuum any dust from underneath the unit. When vacuuming is complete, return the unit to its previous location. Monthly. Noises on bikes are caused by loose bolts, leveling issues, and lack of routine maintenance. If loose, tighten the pedals. Use a small amount of blue thread lock if you notice that the pedals become loose often. Inspect the levelers and tighten the assembly bolts. Refer to the assembly guide for a list of all the assembly joints. If you notice that the console height adjustment is not smooth, the guide rods can be lubricated with the synthetic lubricant spray. You have finished bike maintenance. Keep this schedule to maximize the life of your product.